Hi, I'm Dr. Ford, and I want to ask you, when is the last time before you ate, you sat and either contemplated or prayed or meditated on how grateful you are for the food that you're about to eat? Now, some people do this every meal and they do it very well. Some people don't do it at all. And I'm not asking you to subscribe to a certain belief system or religion, but I am asking you to pause and say, when is the last time that you contemplated on the miraculous way that food carries energy and nourishes our bodies so we have energy, and where this food came from, and you're so grateful for the opportunity to eat it, and you're grateful for the opportunity to digest it, because when those things are taken away, we take for granted access to food, health status. So if you do have the ability to digest food and digest it well, if you do have the ability to obtain food multiple times a day without worry, take a pause and give thanks for that. Don't take that for granted, and watch how that can sometimes allow the body to take a breath and ground so you can digest well and ultimately be well. Hope this helps.